Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Rush. Today, we are talking about the 2025 Hummer H1 truck, a true icon of rugged performance and military-grade toughness. The Hummer H1 has always been known for its extreme off-road capabilities, and the 2025 model takes things even further with modern technology, upgraded performance, and an aggressive new design. Let's dive into what makes this truck a powerhouse on and off the road. The exterior design of the 2025 Hummer H1 truck stays true to its military roots while incorporating a more aerodynamic and futuristic look. It features a massive front grille with integrated LED lighting, redesigned circular LED headlights, and an armored-style bumper. The high ground clearance, reinforced skid plates, and massive 40-inch all-terrain tires make it ready for the toughest terrains. The boxy yet aerodynamic design improves efficiency, and the rear cargo bed offers enhanced utility for hauling heavy loads. Inside, the 2025 Hummer H1 truck combines ruggedness with modern luxury. The cabin features premium leather seats, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The high-tech heads-up display HUD keeps all essential driving information in view, while the Bose premium audio system ensures an immersive sound experience. Advanced climate control, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports add to the truck's convenience and comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Hummer H1 offers two powerful options. The 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine delivers 450 horsepower and 1,250 Nm of torque, making it an absolute powerhouse for towing and off-roading. For those looking for an electric option, GM's Ultium electric powertrain offers a 3-motor setup producing 1,000 horsepower and over 15,000 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful electric trucks ever built. The off-road focused suspension system, adaptive dampers, and 4-wheel drive with front and rear locking differentials ensure unstoppable performance on any terrain. The Hummer H1 truck is also loaded with modern safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The reinforced body structure provides top-tier crash protection, making it as safe as it is powerful. The expected price of the 2025 Hummer H1 truck starts at 1.5 crore rupees and goes up to 2 crore rupees, depending on the variant and customizations. With military-grade durability, extreme power, and cutting-edge technology, this truck remains the ultimate choice for off-road enthusiasts and those who want an unstoppable beast on the road. If you like our video, make sure to like and subscribe.